Have you ever noticed that you're feeling weaker in the morning than when you went to bed? You're not imagining things. After 60, our bodies change dramatically. Scientific research confirms that we lose up to 8% of our muscle mass each decade, and shockingly, a large portion of that loss happens while we're asleep. But here's the good news. We can fight back. And it's not with pills or workouts or overnight miracles. It's with food. Specific research-backed foods that help your muscles stay strong, even while you're dreaming. Tonight, we're diving deep into 8 powerful foods that, when consumed before bed, can not only stop muscle loss, but help rebuild the muscle you thought was gone for good. Stay with me, because the last item on our list may surprise you. Welcome to the Healthy Path, trusted, science-backed health advice to help you stay strong, independent, and energized at every age. Let me explain what happens inside your body when you sleep. Each night, as your body goes into repair mode, it enters a catabolic state. This means it breaks things down. For people over 60, this includes muscle tissue. Why? Because with age, our anabolic hormones, like growth hormone and testosterone, decline. Combine that with slower protein metabolism and reduced physical activity, and it becomes a perfect storm for muscle loss. The key to stopping this isn't just more exercise, it's fueling your body before bed. The right nutrients, at the right time, can flip your body's switch from breakdown to repair. Let's start with one of the most underrated muscle-saving snacks you can find in your fridge. Cottage cheese may not be glamorous, but it works. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and provides your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids all night long. In a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, people who consumed 30 grams of casein before bed saw a 31% increase in overnight muscle synthesis. So how do you make it work for you? Start with just half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese about 30 minutes before sleep. If you want flavor, try adding a few slices of banana or a dash of cinnamon. Want to go even further? Mix in a teaspoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. This snack works quietly, but powerfully, while you rest. Let's talk about one of nature's simplest and most complete foods. Eggs. Each egg has about 6 grams of high-quality protein, and more importantly, leucine. That's the amino acid that signals your muscles to grow. In a 2021 study, older adults who ate eggs before bedtime had 19% better muscle preservation over 12 weeks compared to those who didn't. Here's how to do it. Eat 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs about half an hour before bed. Sprinkle on a bit of black pepper or turmeric to lower inflammation. If you're still a little hungry, add a slice of avocado for healthy fats. It's easy, effective, and highly digestible. This one surprises many of my patients. Tuna in olive oil might not sound like a bedtime food, but the science says otherwise. Tuna is packed with lean protein and leucine. The olive oil adds healthy fats that slow digestion, giving your muscles a prolonged supply of amino acids while you sleep. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed protein with omega-3 fats had a 34% greater increase in nighttime muscle synthesis. Just half a can with some whole grain crackers or cucumber slices, no mayonnaise please, can make a big difference. Greek yogurt isn't just a trendy breakfast, it's a powerful bedtime muscle booster. It's rich in casein, calcium, and probiotics. That same study I mentioned earlier found that older adults who had a high-protein Greek yogurt snack before sleep experienced a 26% higher rate of overnight muscle protein synthesis. Stick with the plain, unsweetened kind. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few berries if you need more taste. Want a bonus? A teaspoon of flax or chia seeds enhances fiber and omega-3s. For generations, warm milk has been a bedtime ritual, but add turmeric, and it becomes a science-backed healing drink. Milk contains tryptophan and casein, which support muscle repair and sleep. Turmeric adds curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that protects joints and reduces overnight muscle breakdown. In a 2022 study in nutritional neuroscience, older adults who drank a protein-rich milk beverage with turmeric before bed showed a 32% increase in overnight muscle synthesis. To prepare, warm 1 cup of milk, or plant-based milk with added calcium and protein, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a small amount of honey. Sip slowly, 30 minutes before bedtime. It calms the mind and primes your muscles for renewal. You may have heard that almond butter is healthy, but at night it becomes a strategic tool. Almonds are rich in magnesium, vitamin E, and plant-based protein. But more importantly, they help regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissue during the night. In a 2020 study from the journal Nutrients, older adults who consumed healthy fats like almonds before bed retained more nitrogen overnight, an essential marker of muscle preservation. 1 tablespoon is all you need. Eat it straight or spread it on a slice of whole grain toast. Just make sure it's the natural kind. No added sugar or oils. Tart cherry juice might be the most underrated muscle ally out there. It's packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that fight inflammation, and it naturally contains melatonin, which promotes deeper, restorative sleep, the kind of sleep where muscle repair peaks. A 2019 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that older adults who drank tart cherry juice before bed had 33% less soreness and slept more efficiently. Just 4 to 6 ounces, unsweetened, 30 to 45 minutes before sleep is enough. It's a small sip with big impact. And now, the #1 food for preventing muscle loss overnight: whey protein isolate. This is the most effective form of protein to trigger muscle repair. It's fast digesting, high in leucine, and shown to override age-related anabolic resistance. In a 2021 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed 40 gallons of whey before sleep saw a 22% increase in muscle protein synthesis overnight. Simply mix 1 scoop with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add half a banana or a spoon of almond butter if you want more calories. Avoid sugary blends or weight gainers. If you've ever woken up feeling weak, sore, or just a little slower than usual, now you know why. But more importantly, you know what to do about it. These 8 foods are not fads. They're simple, science-based tools to help your body rebuild itself overnight. Remember, strength isn't just built in the gym. It's built in the quiet hours of rest, when the right nutrition is in your system. Which of these foods are you going to try tonight? Drop a comment below. I want to hear from you. Have a favorite nighttime snack that helps you stay strong. Share it with our community. And if this video helped you, click like, subscribe to The Healthy Path, and turn on notifications. You'll get weekly health strategies designed specifically for older adults like you. Before we go, let me leave you with this. If you had the strength and energy you did 20 years ago, what would you do differently today? Think about that. And tomorrow morning, you just might wake up 1 step closer to it. Until next time, stay well, sleep strong, and keep walking the healthy path.